Now listen up, guys. There is a 2K scenario for BTC right now. We hit this resistance level, and you can see that there is a 3 touch point on this level, and now we got engulfed by this candlestick. This is a bearish candlestick, and it engulfed this previous day right here. And if I pull out my stochastic RSI, you can see that the stochastic RSI is currently overbought right now, and the blue line just crossed the orange line, which indicates that price might reverse to the downside, or maybe we could face a little bit of a retracement. So now there's 2K scenario, guys. Is either we break up from this resistance level impulsively, maybe break up and then have a little bit of retracement, then the stochastic RSI we move down to the bottom, to the oversold region, before we have another spike to the upside. Or we could tap on this trend line here in line with this order block. As I said, this is a bullish order block. Price created this impulsive move and engulfing this previous candlestick, and this is a bullish order block. This is an inducement right here. You see that price wanted to tap on this trend line, went up, and is currently looking bearish right now, and price could take out this inducement right here, tapping on this order block before another continuation. And if we see price going down, we could see that the stochastic RSI might go over to the oversold region before we have another pump to the upside. And anything that make price to come back to this resistance level again, we are going to break up impulsively, then the rest of the crypto market. Even if price comes down to this level right here on the short term, we might be bearish on the short term, but overall we are still bullish. So I already entered a short position on the 1 hour time frame on my Bitfunded Profit account, which I just got yesterday. It's a 5K Profit account. So there is a short position I took, and price is just kind of hovering around my stop loss. So as you can see that this is the short position right now, as it looks like it's gaining momentum on the hourly time frame, but still I'm not closing my position. Although we're in the weekend, although the crypto market do not close during the weekend, but there tends to be a slow momentum during the weekend. Price do not move rapidly. If eventually I get stopped out of this trade, maybe price reverse against me, I'll be looking to change my thesis to bullish. I'll be waiting for price to break above this level right here, this high right here, then which implies that there will be a market structure shift, and I'll be looking to go long. Although I already shared this trade yesterday with my free Telegram channel. I called this trade with my free Telegram channel. You can see where I shared this trade right here, BTC short, entered market order. You can see. So I took this trade on my Bitfunded Profit account. So that is it, guys. Whichever ways the price goes, I'll be looking to, is either price for it to hit my stop loss or hit my take profit. Peace out.